If you're seeing weeds and other unwanted plants sprout up in your lawn this fall and winter, then you may be dealing with winter annual weeds. These weeds will steal nutrients, weaken your turf grass, and they can sprout in your lawn the next year if nothing is done to prevent them. So in this video, we'll go over what winter annual weeds are and what you can do to control them. You can save on pest control with DIY products and do it fast with free shipping from Solutions Pest and Lawn. To buy the products featured in this video or to learn more about lawn care, click the icon in the top right of the screen or click the link in the description below. Winter annuals are weeds that will sprout in your lawn in fall, grow throughout winter, and produce seed and die when temperatures warm for spring. Annuals differ from perennials in that these plants will complete a life cycle in one growing season. Many perennials can sprout from seeds and seemingly die, but they'll continue to persist for several seasons through a regenerative root system. Some common examples of winter annual weeds include henbit, annual bluegrass, and shepherd's purse. To stop winter annuals from growing in your lawn, you can apply a pre-emergent herbicide in fall to prevent their germination. Remember to check your soil temperatures before application. The best time to apply a pre-emergent in fall is when soil temperatures are consistently 55 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit for about a week, before temperatures fall within range of winter annual germination. To control a wide variety of winter annual weeds, we recommend you use Barricade Granular Pre-Emergent Herbicide. Barricade is a versatile pre-emergent product made with prodiamine. It can be applied in fall to stop winter annual weeds, as well as in spring to stop the growth of summer annual weeds. Depending on your turf type, you'll apply between 1.5 to 4 pounds of Barricade per 1,000 square feet of treatment area. If it's too late to apply a pre-emergent herbicide and you're seeing winter annual weeds in your lawn, then you'll have to apply a post-emergent herbicide that's labeled for the weed you're trying to control. There is no single herbicide that can control every weed without also harming your grass, so it's important you check any product's label for your target weed before application. To get rid of established winter annual weeds on warm season turf, we recommend you use Fahrenheit Herbicide. If you have cool season turf, such as Kentucky bluegrass or fine fescue, then use MSM Turf. Both products are selective herbicides that will need to be mixed with water and can be used to control a variety of winter annual weeds. Fahrenheit's active ingredients are dicamba and a small amount of methylfuran methyl, or MSM, while MSM Turf has only a higher concentration of MSM. To treat weeds with Fahrenheit, you can mix and apply 0.09 to 0.28 ounces in 1 gallon of water over 1,000 square feet of treatment area, depending on your targeted weed. If you're using MSM Turf, you'll mix and apply 0.0057 to 0.023 ounces in 1 gallon of water over 1,000 square feet of treatment area. We recommend you use a handheld pump sprayer. If your lawn only has a few weeds, then conduct a spot treatment. If your property is seeing more widespread establishment, then conduct a broadcast application. Both Fahrenheit and MSM Turf are selective, treating target weeds while labeled turf grasses go unharmed. When your post-emergent herbicide is properly applied, you should see affected weeds start to die within 2 weeks. Winter annual weeds will appear in fall and weaken your turf throughout the winter, but there are ways to control a weed invasion that's gone out of hand. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop winter annual weeds from growing in your turf, and we offer free and fast shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share, and if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.